Hello friends, myself Hitesh Parmar, and I would like to invite you to read this ebook which is Power Memory with Mind Power and NLP. What you are going to learn when you buy this book is, first of all, see what happens is there is a science behind why we forget and what you can do about it. So it is very important to understand. Also, you must decide a goal to remember so as to improve your effectiveness. Also, what are memory pegs? Memory pegs are real subconscious mind secrets in improving memory. And also, we are going to learn how to use these memory pegs because theory is not important, but the practical is very important. Also, the power of association in memory because what happens that subconscious secret to real memory is power of association, and you will know how to improve and multiply your memory. So this association is going to help. Also, you will learn how to do step by step memory association because when you implement, you will learn, not only learn, you will memorize it. Same way, what we are going to do is there are so many powerful step by step assignments. So you can not only learn theory but implement and do practicals. So this is all about my ebook, Improve Your Memory, and the name of the ebook is Power Memory with Mind Power.